What is an ERP? An ERP software has been considered a business necessity for decades now, but what really is an ERP? ERP is an acronym for Enterprise Resource Planning. In other words, an ERP is a tool for managing information. ERP can be described as a class of business management software that offers broad functionality across multiple aspects of a business operation, from back-office accounting tasks to inventory management, purchasing and order processing. Companies use ERP software to help consolidate data from multiple departments across their entire business into one centralized database. This improves cross-departmental visibility, business efficiencies, and improves employee collaboration. You can think of an ERP system as a web that connects all the departments at computer systems in an organization. The essential feature of all ERP systems is the shared database that supports multiple functions used by different departments within a company. For example, employees from your accounting and sales department can rely on the same information for their specific needs. This improves efficiency and translates to cost savings as people spend less time digging for data now. What are the benefits of ERP? For companies, an ERP software is the heart of their business. Here are just a few key ERP software benefits that apply to any company, regardless of which or how many elements of the software you might use. Centralizing and managing your information seamlessly is the core benefit of ERP, and then there's improved business insights with access to real-time information, lower operational costs through streamlined business processes. Time can be saved by the automation of routine tasks, minimizing the use of separate applications and the associated duplicate data entry. It also provides improved collaboration as users share common data across the organization, and it also gains efficiency through integrated workflows spanning operational tasks. Modern ERP is flexible, mobile, cloud, secure, and much more. Here at Hazlo, we've been working with ERP for over a few years. If you have any questions about the concept or the benefits of ERP software, feel free to contact our consulting team and see how modern ERP can help your business. We hope you found this short video informative. Thank you.